Those are $1,700. Like the ice blue.
Does it project? What's the deal?
No.
It's an N64, so it's
How do you see?
it's what
I got this in here.
Oh
Cameron and I
yeah,
would game with when we were kids.
What do you, is it on the TV?
Yeah.
Oh.
Those are the cartridges of the games. So you would slide it into the top so it clicks in, and then so you plug in the controllers. I know it's a weird concept.
Is this like a character from a movie?
No, I thought it was
Just a wizard.
Oh yeah, he's a cool little wizard.
We just called him Gandalf. We just pretend.
Hey, look, that's what I was thinking. Is Gandalf. Morning. You guys got those video games?
There's someone, this gentleman came in a few minutes ago, but before that there's someone that came in pretty early too.
Oh, alright.
Yeah, sorry.
No worries.
We're still rubbing our eyes when those get collected.
Yeah.
Oh, for you. Oh, you have to make uniform. Yeah.
How much you asking for Han Solo here?
$5. Yeah.
I'll take Han. I'll put him over here.
Okay, cool.
How much are your teeth?
Oh, they're 50
Oh.
cents.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't know if anyone will buy these, but
Can I look in here?
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah.
How much is your backpack?
How much did you want to do?
How much? $1.
Whatever.
Is this like a character from a movie?
No, I thought it was
just a
store.
wizard.
Oh yeah, he's a cool little wizard.
We just called him Gandalf. We just pretend.
Hey, look, that's what I was thinking. Is Gandalf. How much is a Gandalf?
50 cents.
He's cool. Just take him.
Yeah, I was looking for more like.
Do you have any like Star Wars toys?
Star Wars. Do you know if we have any Star Wars toys? I can take a look in here.
I don't know if
Okay.
it's just a Watto.
Oh,
We had
yeah.
like a Watto
I'm
toy.
unsure. Yeah, I'll see if they, because we brought things to. Have you ever heard of EcoTown?
No.
It's like it's kind of like a pawn shop, kind of pop culture
Oh,
place.
okay.
And so you bring things to like things of maybe higher value. there.
Yeah.
And
Totally
so
understand.
we went there first, and there's things that they didn't buy. As you can see, some video games.
Oh, okay.
Found
I'll
that
take a
other
look at
shoe.
that
Sure. You can take a look at some of those. It might just be a mix of movies and games.
Gotcha.
But I'm not sure if they took a Watto that we're selling.
Yeah.
So far I'm not seeing it, so they might have. Some loose ones.
Yeah.
If it turns up, I'll let you know, but
Yeah, sure. I'll keep looking around.
sure.
Thank you. What do you think on games?
Well,
fine.
let's see. Yeah, those games are like probably $1 each.
Yeah, that's fine. I'll take a look.
And that one. And this one.
Alrighty. Thank you. How much is the top?
Oh, 50 cents.
Okay. I'm ready.
Okay, sure.
And I'll probably come back later. I know you guys are still setting up. So,
Okay.
so you said 5 on the...
Yeah, 5 on the Harn,
And then
that was our
there's
5 games. or whatever
$5,
there.
so that's 10.
Yeah.
And then
Backpack was $1.
11. That's 50 cents. So there's like 50 cents. Or
Yeah, so it's
So
12.
12.
That's funny.
13, 14, 15. I'll give you 16 bucks.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, that sounds good, man.
You have change for a 20?
Yeah.
Oh, great. Thank you.
Yeah, of course.
Yes. Did you have guinea pig while you were there? I had everything. I had cow heart. I had.
That's also for sale, by the way. It comes in the back as well.
Oh, okay.
It also tastes pretty
Best game ever.
Yeah, I know. Donkey Kong.
Yeah.
And Rampage is cool too.
Oh, I love Rampage. It was amazing. Bomberman, that's just a childhood game I played a lot.
Yeah.
Glover underrated. I loved it.
Right.
Bad Fear, one of the only M games.
Yeah.
Diddy Kong Racing, Banjo. Oh yeah.
Total vintage gaming. Oh my God, Rampage. I love that.
Yeah.
Donkey Kong. You got some great games.
Yeah. Got the Rumble as well.
Mega Man.
Hell yeah.
I like played every iteration of Mega Man. I loved it.
I love those games. Let's see here.
I never had an N64. Ooh, that's a unique console too.
I
Yeah.
don't even know what one looks like.
The Ice Blue.
Does it project? What's the deal?
No.
It's an N64, so it's
How do you
Does-
see?
it's
Oh,
what
I got this in here as well.
Oh
Cameron and I
yeah,
would game with when we were kids.
What do you, is it on the TV?
Yeah.
Oh.
Those are the cartridges of the games, so you would slide it into the top so it clicks in, and then so you plug in the controllers. I know it's a weird concept.
What year? What's this?
They're not wireless?
Man.
We're old.
wireless.
That's how you know you're getting old when you're
I
like,
know.
what's a pager?
I know what's a pager.
No, like,
That's right, pager.
Yep. What's a payphone?
how would you hold the game? How would you hold this controller?
You ever seen those
Right?
videos? Where
Yeah, it's just like
The ones with the rotary phone?
Yeah.
The rotary phone? Yeah, yeah.
I was born in '95, so I don't know.
Oh man.
Good God. Okay, bye.
What do you think for like everything?
Just because that's a good game. You got this here. Hey, good morning. These are pretty good. These got a little, so I know that would have to be slightly fixed, but they work perfectly.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Like you had it. Very similar.
I think about 250.
How about like 220 then?
I can do 220.
Yeah, 220.
That'd be good.
All right, cool.
Perfect.
Thank you, sir.
Of course, no worries. Thank
Yeah,
you.
Donkey Kong, Mega Man.
Yeah. To
This
me,
is awesome. I'm gonna play these when I get home.
oh yeah, it's that and Bad Fury and
Let me
I
see
think,
it
like,
again.
Here.
Oh my god.
Bad Fury, like one of the only M games.
Yeah.
Banjo was amazing.
Oh yeah, Banjo.
Diddy Kong Racing.
That's awesome.
That one. Oh.
Oh my gosh.
So good.
Bringing back memories.
Dude, that's how I feel right now. When you're like, oh, games like, yeah, let me look at this. Oh, it's definitely like PlayStation Switch now.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
You know, it's a little easy.
But I'm trying to like collect the classics again.
Oh, dude, this is the
So
right place.
like, yeah. So I'm looking for like a lot of the old stuff. Yeah.
I had when I was a kid, I had the Game Boy Color with a Pikachu.
Oh, the Pikachu. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Well, I carry that around all the time. I wish they
You had all the cool stuff then.
Yeah. I also had like the blue Game Boy Color.
Yeah.
It was just like, oh, these were so fun, you know, put in your pocket.
I know, it's so easy to like take
It's like
with
you
you.
can use your
and-
phone, but then people call you, you get messages, totally interrupts them. Like,
I know, right?
it's tough. Well, thanks so much,
Hey,
man.
thanks.
Like dining room chairs?
Yeah, that'd be good for dining.
Those are $1,700 new.
And it's on sale right
The
now.
red one, new.
Yeah.
The steel case police is $1,700 new. I'm gonna spend $100 each on those.
Wow.
They're literally $1,700 new.
You collect mid-century stuff? Like,
I sell myself and stuff, yeah.
I like it for dining room, but I need something for the work desk. Yeah. That was very nice.
Oh, this one's weird. Oh, yeah, it's on the back. Yeah.
And then they gave me some extra.
Across the street from Ralph's. It's on Orizaba, right by the Ralph's parking lot.
So here's what I picked up at several yard sales. Starting over here, pretty excited. I found another N64, this time with a bunch of games. And I got like Bad Fur Day, Glover, Bomberman 64, Donkey Kong 64, Diddy Kong Racing, Banjo-Kazooie, Mega Man, and then Rampage. And then I never had a blue one before, so pretty psyched about that. It came with 2 controllers. I got the Rumble pack. And then total, I spent $220, which I'm not sure if it was a good deal or not. I still need to look up these games. So, yeah, but just excited that I found this time a blue version variant of the N64. And then at another yard sale, I got a couple things. I got this. This just reminded me of Gandalf, which is, I just picked it up. It was only 50 cents. And I thought this was funny. Godzilla versus Charles Barkley. I thought that was hilarious, a comic book. And then I got this Loungefly Little Mermaid backpack. Kind of looks like, tattoo. Kind of reminds me of like, that tattoo art style. Got this women's Jordan top. It's brand new, still with the tags. And then got some games here. Some, I think, Xbox and PlayStation. So I got like Assassin's Creed, Grand Theft, Thrillville, Fable, and Fable 2. And then also picked up some t-shirts as well. I got that Scary Movies. I thought it was funny. Got Snoopy. I got some Disney stuff. This one says it's kind of like Halloween, but it says books. And then I got like these David Bowie shirts from the movie Labyrinth. So I'll show you this one right here. And then that's the other one. And then they also had this Han Solo display, Star Wars display, which I thought was awesome. And then I only paid $5 for it. I mean, part of his foot is like missing down here, but still, it's, it was a fun display piece, I think. And I just grabbed it for $5. But total, I think I spent not that much. I think, because a lot of this stuff was like 50 cents. So I want to say maybe around like $12, maybe $12-15 for everything. And then at another yard sale, I picked up some other games here. I got like this Nintendo DS game. I can't even read it. Galactic something. This one's Daxter, and then Duel Master. I think I paid like $5 for all 3. And then at another yard sale, I found like these like vintage lighters. I thought they were cool. I didn't capture it on video, but my battery died. But I just thought these were pretty awesome. They I think they're like mid-century. This one kind of looks like a spaceship, and then this one just looks funky. But I paid $20 for both of these, so like $10 a piece. And then yeah, so that's pretty much the stuff that I grabbed recently. Want to thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Okay? Thanks. Bye.